See, I started filming before midnight. So, by the rules of the house, every part of this video, however long it may or may not be, is still having been made on Friday. So cool. Today got away from us. Also, I was waiting on Sabrina, and Sabrina forgot, and these things happen. So we had some miscommunication. We also had a bunch of stuff going on. We have a bunch of stuff going on tomorrow too. So I suspect that this just kind of isn't going to be a week for mail call, but we'll see. In any case, I've been working on a lot of stuff. But this was one of mine that has been sitting around forever. I mean, forever and ever and ever here. Lovely piece. Nice 6139 6005. I haven't finished trimming the stem and setting the crown and everything. That's the only thing I haven't done yet. Other than that, that's completely original. Isn't that amazing? Anyway, so now I finally have some time to do some of my own stuff, and I'm enjoying that. I am looking at my Rolex. Actually, I'm looking at my great uncle's Rolex. Yeah, there it is. This is those of you in the know, this is the movement that was rusted solid that I brought back. I estimate, I think it's probably 75% original, maybe a little less now. I went back in and replaced a couple of things. So without the automatic section, that is a Rolex 1570. And though I know I'll get straight hell for it, I'll tell you that an equivalent Seiko 6216 is absolutely a better movement than this. I mean, I think nearly every way except for the free sprung balance with the Bruget overcoil. Hell, even the 6218, because the only difference is the mainspring arbors upper and lower being jeweled, because these aren't jeweled. Yeah, seriously, the Seiko 6218 blows this thing away. But you know what? I'm just being curmudgeonly. That is a beautiful movement, isn't it? I'm always so proud. Yeah, you can see where some of the plating came off the ratchet wheel there. That's going to be fun. Well, I have to check this to see how this did, because this one was gaining some time, and so because it's got a free sprung balance, you can't just go in it with like a balance cock and move stuff around. The way you deal with a free sprung balance is you have to. This is one of these old style balances, has those little knobs, those little things on around the outside, right? Those are balance weights. And so you move. There are some on here. There are 4 that are able to be moved. 2 little ones and 2 big ones. And so if you move weight in and out like this, if you move them in, it's going to gain time. You move them out, it's going to lose time. As they always say, the example they always give is the spinner dance, the dancer on the ice. When they go the whoop, really spin. So I'm going to pull this 6139 off of here. I'll put that there for your viewing pleasure. And then I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to put that to 52. Let us see what we got. Oh my gosh, I'm holding a Rolex and I'm wearing one. Yeah, wow, it's still gaining a bunch of time. I would have thought that would have really worked out, that I really opened that up some. Man, I'm gonna have to go back in and really work that. That's crazy. Why is it gaining that much time? Maybe I need to resurface this darn thing. Okay. Well, anyway, folks, that's about it. Not much of a video. It's better than nothing, but the reason this is not aligned is, again, because I haven't finished building the complete stem. I have everything. I just usually want to make sure that I can test the features like this before I get to the point of dealing with this other stuff. It's always fun having to trim this stuff down and make sure that it's right before you build your stem. Oh, damn, that thing is not, in fact, I think it's gaining more time. How's that possible? Damn. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I think this one has I think I need to look at the hairspring on that Rolex. I think that's the issue. Yeah, I think that's it. Not as simple as we would have thought. That's right. So anyway, yeah, I'm not gonna do it tonight. I will not. I absolutely am steadfast. I will not build a stem this late at night. Anyway, so it's a little too long, and I'll just go ahead and put it all together and move it in just a 1 crown thickness inwards. Come on, there we go. Yeah, let's put this in. Let's go to sleep. God, it's been a long day. I'm not gonna touch that Rolex thing. Yep, that's exactly the problem. I am not doing major surgery on that thing tonight. Heck no. Folks, we'll see what we can get done. Tomorrow's another super busy day, so I suspect that we're not realistically going to be able to get a video done tomorrow. So I think that's just the way that it is. Hey, do I have this cranked over to the 25? There we go. Now we're picking it up. Cool. Yeah, right on. So we are going to call it Friday again because I'm going to want to know what time. We're going to set it forward today. Still think it's Friday the 25th, right? Yeah. So now let's go forward. Let's crank it forward. It is, according to my handy dandy Rolex 168000 with the much rarer Mark II Z dial, where the S in Submariner looks like a Z, not an S. But it says, so we're gonna go forward. Oh, thought it was lunchtime. Come on. There we go. We start to crank. It is 12:00 blank. I'm gonna go to bed. There. Gosh, isn't that pretty? Sorry, isn't it? That's incredibly annoying, isn't it? Having the pip off center like that. That's a pretty watch. It's original. Dial loom, hands, all that. Isn't that nice? What a watch. My favorite, my basic configuration, my favorite one. With this shade of blue, a blackish blue, but it's not like a black blue that you can barely see. It has that flash. And the ring is the deeper black. I love the radial darkness of it. Original loom. And the chronograph hands, this sort of blaze orange, blaze red that these hands were, they has some variation. Just out of the factory it has some variation because these hands don't really fade. They're darker ones, but this is one of the lighter ones that sort of really pops, especially against the more pronounced blue. It's a lovely watch. Okay, now that's it. I'm done. I'm not touching that Rolex. Hell no. All right, folks, talk to you later on.